Morning, good evening, good afternoon, traders and students all around the world. This is FXPassion broadcasting you live on YouTube, and this is Forex Trading Course 101. And remember what we are trying to do here. We are trying to build the three pillars. Pillar number one is the strategy and or the system. Pillar number two is the risk management, and the pillar number three is the psychology part. And talking about psychology, everybody, what do champion beginner traders say? Champion beginner traders say that I am not going to live and die on a trade by trade basis. And of course, this is a quote from Mark Douglas, and I have my own quote here. When the market scares you, don't be afraid to do the right thing. When you lose again and you lose again and you have another loser and another loser and another loser, don't be afraid to do the right thing, right? What are the right things to do? The right things to do are listen to your strategy, listen to your rules, obey the strategy, listen to FXPassion. You know, those are the right things to do. Hello, Allah, hello, patron. You are the boss, Zuelius. Believe me, Zuelius, if I would be your boss, your life and my life would be much easier, you know. So everybody, remember, we are in the Forex trading week where we are trying to implement what we have learned in theory so far. We are trying to trade with what we have learned so far. Okay, and remember that 90% of traders lose money in the Forex market worldwide. And the webinars are not trading or investment advice. The webinars are for educational purposes only. And for homeworks or questions, you have my Gmail contact, my Skype contact, and my LinkedIn contact. That being said, let's jump to the live markets and let's see how is our NZD doing. And everybody, please type in the chat what is the next currency pair that you want to check. What is your idea? You know, remember, first comes, first is served. Okay, we don't have time to check everybody's currency pairs. Okay, type in the chat what is your idea, what currency pairs do you want to see. Okay, and remember that these webinars are not trading or investment advice. Okay, so who was this? This was the, let me see, MHB and SL. SL and MHB, are you here, guys? Hello, SL, how are you? So as you can see, everybody, we are still in the trade, right? Now the question is, we're supposed to learn something, you know, we're supposed to learn how to trade. Now the question is 15-minute chart, just to see, right? 15-minute chart. Now the question is, why is the market against me? Okay, so why is the market against me? Okay, what was the error? Maybe, right? Maybe we are here to learn. Maybe what was the error, so I don't repeat the error anymore. What would you say, everybody? We entered here, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, 50-minute chart, doesn't matter. The market is against us, right? The market is against us. EURUSD possible to analyze all time frame? No, sir. The trading week is to trade. Tari and everybody else, we are not going to analyze the pairs. Trading week is for trading, not analyzing. But yes, we can address EURUSD. Okay. But let's go step by step. Why is the market against me? What was the error? Maybe, so I don't repeat the error anymore. Everybody, so if I go on the 2 hour chart, right? You know, we shorted the market up in here and the market is against us. What was the error? You can say I don't know, you can say EURUSD long. Okay, we're going to check later. SL, you are in this trade and MHB is in this trade. What was the error? It is finishing the structure retracement. This does not explain, you know. So when we're talking about traders' errors is why we maybe, right? Maybe we are learning how to trade. Why we maybe should not have entered yesterday. What are the reasons why we maybe, you know, should not have entered yesterday? We need to correct this error, everybody. If not, we are going to do it over and over and over again. So clearly the market is going against us, right? So we entered yesterday. Why we maybe should not have entered? And remember, everybody, the trading week, it's for you to learn how to trade, you know. Remember what we've been teaching you. 90% of beginner traders lose money not because of the wrong direction, but because of the wrong timing. So today is the next day. We want to learn something, right? So looks like was not the right time to enter, right? We didn't wait till the retracement started. Lower lows, lower highs. Great answer. So SL, why did you enter? Why did you enter then? You know. Oh, Passion, but our trade is still in place. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Our trade is still in place. Our trade is still in place, everybody. Here, where is the trade? Okay. This is the 2-hour chart. Our trade is still in place, yes? But as beginner traders, we are now stressing out, right? Oh, I have a losing trade. My trade is a loser. You know? And what we learned that if this is a down market wave, we are going to see the short-term trend changing, right? The market's making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Down extension, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. You forced us to enter. Boo, boo, boo. Oh. Not true. You forced us to enter. Now it's my fault, right? And then higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So where is the entry? You know, I've been telling you guys yesterday, you need to be responsible for your trading. You know, don't blame your cat, don't blame your spouse or your husband or God or the cat or the dog. You know, you are responsible. You know, so we entered prematurely yesterday, didn't we? Timing, we need to see a change in the short-term trend, yes. So yesterday it was pure speculation, wasn't it? We didn't obey the rules. Yeah, some of us, you know, like SL said, okay, let's have some fun, let's short the market. Okay, yeah, I know you are joking, no problem. I'm joking with you too, everybody. So it was premature. The entry was premature. We didn't see the change in the short-term trend on the 2-hour chart, right? So if we cancel, you know, if we cancel the, so let's see the trend, right? The short-term, not the structure, the short-term trend. You know, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low, low to high, high to low. Not all of them are, most of them, or you know, it's like this. high to low, low to 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 high. So this is where we entered yesterday, right? So the market was not making lower lows, lower highs, and this is a premature entry. Now the question is, SL, MHB is not here. SL, what do you want to do? Do you want to stay in the market or do you want to go out? SL, what do you want to do? Do you want to go out or do you want to stay in the market? There is no right or wrong, everybody. This is a trade management question. You need to manage your trade. Do you want to get out and re-enter next time when the market shows you the change in the short-term trend? Or do you want to stay in the market because the stop loss is in the safe place? SL, what do you want to do? Everybody, let's help SL. Stay in the market. Okay, stay in the market. So we're going to be back tomorrow. Alright, back tomorrow. Now, let's open. Tari is asking Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD, Euro AUD. Monthly chart, Euro AUD, weekly chart, right? There is no right or wrong, you know, you need to be a responsible business owner and you need to do what you think is right. Tari wants to go long on Euro AUD, so let's see. Euro AUD and settings, chart GMT. Okay, so Euro AUD, there we go. Okay, we have the upper band somewhere up in here, we have the lower band somewhere in here. Man, what is this, a pivot point or something? Okay, nonetheless, right? Nonetheless, monthly chart, we can draw an uptrend line. The market still above the uptrend line and the market wave. Extension, retracement, extension. This is from the monthly. Weekly is going to be most likely the same. Uptrend line like this. Market wave a little bit different. No, it's going to be the same. Extension, retracement, extension. Okay, so this is the weekly. Daily, Euro AUD daily chart. Euro AUD daily chart. Let's compress the chart as much as possible. And long line. Let me see, it's going to be something like this, and edit like this, right? Let me see, long line. Okay, now what about the market wave? Extension, retracement, extension. This was the lower, right? Market wave, daily chart. It was extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Maybe this one. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension. So the market wave changed a few times, right? And we are here right now. Extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, higher low. and then here, right? Extension. Okay, so this is the long-term view. The markets make higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And from the weekly standpoint, right, this is the extension leg from the weekly. Okay, if it helps you, everybody, implement these best practices. You know, if it's spatially difficult for you to see and to understand what is the market doing, have the weekly market wave on the daily so you can see the different levels, right? Because, or where the market, the higher time frame controls the smaller time frame, right? And talking about the short-term trend on the daily, we are going to connect the dots, right? High to low to high to low to high to low to high to low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high to low, high to low, high, low, sideways, high to low, high to low, high, and low, right? We have another low down here. Okay. Tari says long on hourly time frame after counter trend line, black stop loss. Okay, so this is going to be Tari and red like this, and coordinates 1.6125. Okay, this is Tari. And let's clone the chart, and he wants to go on the 1 hour chart. 1 hour chart. Long on the counter trend line break. Now you have two counter trend line breaks. Let's delete this one. This is from the daily. Okay. Now you have two counter trend line breaks. The number one is here. This is one. There you go. The second one is here, counter trend line break. The third one would be here, right? So the market broke the aggressive downtrend line already. Okay. Now everybody, Tari wants to go long. Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to short the market? Who in here wants to go long? Tari, which one do you want? What counter trend line break are you looking for? Are you looking for CTB number 1, counter trend line break number 1? Are you looking forward to counter trend line break number 2? Or are you looking forward to counter trend line break number 3, which already happened? Trader Tari, which one are you looking forward? Counter trend line break number 1, counter trend line break number 2, or counter trend line break number 3? And everybody, let's make a poll. Who in here wants to go long? Who in here wants to go short? There is no right or wrong. We have different patterns with different probabilities, right? But at least you are trying to learn how to trade, right? Number 2, says Tari. Okay, very good. Anybody else? So this is Tari's projection when and if the market is going to break the counter trend number 2. You know, this is where I'm going to enter, and this is going to be my stop loss and double, right? Take profit, clone, it's double, one more, clone, one more. Okay. Tari, what pattern are you trading? Guys, I'm telling you, you cannot enter the Forex course 202. Guys, boys and girls, you cannot enter the Forex course 202 without knowing this most important rule in trading. The stop loss goes on the pattern traded. You can talk to the guys. Some of you are in the Forex course 202. Ask the guys. This is the most important rule in trading. Ichimoku Fibonacci, the Super JP Morgan Chase robot, is not going to help you unless you learn and implement every single time that you're entering the trade. The stop loss goes on the pattern. So Tari, what pattern are you trading? And on what time frame? Everybody, if you need help, Tari, ask for help. You can ask, guys, what do you think? What is the pattern? Everybody, if you don't know, this is a community, ask for help. So teacher, trader Zuelius, trader SL, trader Ala, what should we do? Do you want to go long? Do you want to go short? Short-term trend. Okay, on the 1 hour chart, right? Short-term trend, so short-term trend. High to low. So you have it already. So if you are trading the short-term trend, Tari, is your stop loss in the correct place? What would you say, everybody? This is a projection. Let's make it violet so we can see better the colors. This is a projection, okay? Or let's make it red, it's the same color. So if Tari is trading the short-term trend on the 1 hour chart, is his stop loss in the correct place? Yes or no? It's a yes or no question, everybody. Now I can see my issue is risk reward. Question mark. I don't know what is your issue. I don't know, Tari, what is your issue. So far you don't have any issues. I mean, the stop loss, it's an issue. Risk reward, I don't know why, you know. But let's go step by step. Forex Trading Week, it's for us to learn how to implement in the live market what we have learned so far. So everybody, if Tari is trading the short-term uptrend, is his stop loss in the correct place? Long 1 hour pattern, short-term trend, enter after past last lower high of the down. Long 1 hour pattern, short-term trend. Okay, enter after past lower high. Okay, I got you. Lower high is here. Zuelius, your lower high, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, right? You have 3 quadrants here. Okay. No, should be below last higher low of the short STT short-term trend. Yes, the answer is yes, Tari. Congratulations to you. If you are going to trade the short-term trend, your stop loss goes together with the highs and the lows. Okay. Everybody, do you understand this? If it happens that the market is... So we are making a projection. If it happens that the market is here, It's a projection, it's a speculation. You cannot have the stop loss down in here. This would be wrong. Different patterns have different stop loss levels that you must obey. This is how the market works. Number 3, okay. We got you. Okay, now this is the 1 hour chart, so let's go to the daily and let's see if everything is in place. You know? Everybody, what would you say before I give you my opinion? What would you say? Is this trade okay from the daily standpoint? This is the bigger picture. You cannot see it, right? So exit screen and daily chart here, and where are we? Daily chart here, right? Daily chart. NZD CAD, let's wait for tomorrow. What is going to happen? Let's put it down. Where is the Euro AUD monthly? What would you say, everybody? Is okay? Euro AUD daily chart. So we're going to clone one more, right? Clone chart, and let's put it in here. Clone chart. Okay, this is the daily, this is the bigger picture, like this, and this is the smaller picture on the daily. Let's make a poll, everybody. Who in here thinks that it's okay? Yes. Do we have any challenge? Is risk reward doable? What do you say, everybody? Can we enter? Should we enter? Does anybody want to go short? What should we do? Let's make a poll. Who in here wants to go long? Who in here wants to go short? And please also add where and why. Okay? Do we have any problems here, any challenges? Is this a good trade? Is this a bad trade? You know? What do you think? Did we analyze and take in consideration all the things that we should analyze and take in consideration? And don't be shy, everybody, there is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong. See, everybody, different patterns have different rules, right? Now, what we are going to learn here is that Euro AUD daily, there you go. Let's go back on the 1 hour chart. Yes, candlestick formation on the daily confirmed the long on 1 hour. Not that fast. Not that fast. Okay. So this is the trading part, everybody. Before, so trading concept. Before making a projection, identify your relevant highs and lows. Everybody, this is where we lose money. Before making a projection, identify your relevant highs and lows. Yes, aren't we entering early? It's up to Tari. I don't know. Tari, do you want to enter right now? But anyway, everybody, this is what you must learn. You know, you have the counter trendline break number 3, you have the counter trendline break number 2, and you have the counter trendline break number 1. Okay? And somebody would say, I'm going to delete risk reward. And somebody would say, well, I'm going to enter on the counter trendline break number 3. Somebody is going to say, well, I'm going to enter on the counter trendline break number 2. Or somebody is going to say, I'm going to enter at the counter trendline break number 1. Here is the learning part. Most important rule in trading, the stop loss goes on the pattern trade, the trading concept. Before making a projection and identify your relevant highs and lows, because if your counter trendline break happens when is not breaking the relevant high or low, then you are entering a low probability trade. This is common sense, everybody. Do we agree on this? And this is beginner stuff. Don't come to the Forex course choo because you are going to suffer. I'm telling you, everybody, you need to learn this stuff. Some of you jumped in the Forex course choo. Now we have problems, right? This is not clear to you. Trading concept, before making a projection, identify your relevant highs and lows, because if your counter trendline break happens when and where it's not breaking the relevant high or low, then you are entering a low probability trade. Can you understand this, everybody? It's common sense, right? I cannot expect, I mean, if this is theory, right? If this is theory, you know, if this is theory, you know, and this is the relevant high, you know, I cannot expect to win this game on this counter trendline breaks. Oh, but it's a counter trendline break and the market, it's making higher highs, higher lows, and it's in an uptrend. Congratulations, you are going to lose. Why? Yes, it's in a short-term uptrend. Yes, you have counter trendline breaks. Yes, the market's making higher highs, higher lows, but you are going to lose. Why? Because this is a down retracement. Oh, right. And here the market is going to hit past resistance, and then the market is going to reverse and is going to crash you. This is where we lose money as beginner traders in the beginning. And the same concept goes for the downtrend, down structure, down market wave. It goes the same for the uptrend, up structure, up market wave. Everybody, is this concept clear to you? If it's not clear, tell me, Passion, it's not clear, explain further, or say one more time. Can you repeat, please? Everybody, can you understand this trading concept? Before deciding what counter trendline break is best for you to enter, you must address relevant highs and lows. You cannot win this game, everybody. It's not a game, right? Lack of another word. You cannot win at this job, everybody, or this work, or you cannot win this profession unless you understand this. Relevant high and low on which time frame? All time frames. No tarry, we explain this to everybody. Every time frame has its own market structure, has its own relevant highs and lows, and has its own short-term trends. So answer to you, Tari, on which time frame? On all time frames, but right now we are entering on the 1 hour time frame, so we need to check which one is the relevant high for the market to break in order to have a greater chance. You can enter right now, no problem, but as SL is telling, we are entering prematurely. Right? Just SL said yes. Can you understand this, Tari? Can you understand these values? Can you understand Allah and everybody else who I'm not seeing the names? This is one of the lessons, everybody, you should watch 3 or 4 times. I'm just want to watch today's webinar. You are not going to get this one. It's too much information. Do you understand this? Passion, I don't believe you. Well, of course you don't believe me. Why would you, right? Everybody take what you like. You can reject what you don't like, not problem. You are correct. It's not me being correct. Those are the concepts. It's not being right or wrong or being correct or oh you are the man. Those are the concepts. Passion, can we know about the book you published? Not today. If you are interested, just write to me on Skype or email, whatever, okay? We're not going to lose time. Everybody, can you understand this? Okay, we are moving on because the time is ticking away. So, what are the relevant highs and lows? The relevant highs and lows are borderlines between extension, retracement, extension. Right? So, I need to go back in time on the 1 hour chart to clarify, what was happening. So, I'm going to go back in here, from the downtrend. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, extension till here, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, retracement. Okay. And let me see which one is the lower low. So yes, it's a low. Okay, so this would be the next extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension, and which one is the higher high? So this was the highest high. So this was the next retracement, and the lower low was here, right? This was the lower low. So this is another trick for you. When you cannot compress the chart, just go on the next time frame. So I'm on the 1 hour time frame. I'm going to go on the 2 hour time frame. Okay, extension, retracement. So then what happened? We had no, see everybody, this was the, I cannot compress the chart, but this was the market wave, relevant highs and lows on the 1 hour chart. And the market stopped making lower lows, lower highs, and the last relevant lower high was here. This was the last relevant lower high, right? Do we agree on that, everybody? This is the last relevant lower high in a down market wave on Euro AUD 1 hour chart. Yes? Yes, okay, so we need to put a horizontal line and C, and the market broke, right? So this was then the first extension leg, right? And this is the first retracement leg, right? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, great. So we have the first extension leg, then we have the first retracement leg, right? So talking about the 1 hour market wave, we have an up market wave, right? Now, is this good news for us, or is this bad news, or is this a challenging news? You know, whatever. So those are, I'm going to delete this one, everybody. This is theory. Delete, 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 delete. So is this good news for us, or is this talking about probabilities, right? It's like, yay, we are positioned in the right direction on the 1 hour chart, or is this bad news for us? You know? And this is the learning part, everybody. What is the pink or violet line telling you in regarding to the different counter trend line breaks? What is the, this is the $1 million question today. Golden nugget for you, everybody. What is the violet line telling you in regard to the different counter trend line breaks that we are expecting, or, oh yeah, we are going to enter there? Passion, what do you mean? I mean, if the market is going to break the counter trend line number 3, if the market is going to break the counter trend line number 2, or if the market is going to break the counter trend line number 1, how is this related probability wise to the violet line? Do we have a great probability? Do we have a small probability? Just remember, everybody, it's not that difficult. We are here right now. Okay? It's not that difficult. We are here right now. The market is making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and then to reverse, making lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And now we are here. We are here right now. This, or let's make a quadrant, right? This is this. This is this, everybody. So is this good news? Is this bad news? Are we positioned in the right direction? Is it too soon? Are those counter trend line breaks relevant to our entry? Are they not relevant to our entry? Are they relevant to the blue line? Are they relevant to the violet line? All those questions we must, right? We are all the same. We must understand those questions. Is it high probability? Is it low probability? Low probability to win. Why? If counter trend line break number 1 break, we have high probability. How do you know? High probability long-term trend line break. Long-term trend line break. Long-term trend line break. Well, as far as we know, the trend line was downtrend line, right? Was broken here from the weekly. Now daily chart. Daily chart. daily chart, downtrend line was this one. We are here, we have this uptrend line, so we are here, and like this, and where are we, EURUSD? So on the left side, everybody, you have the daily chart, and on the right side you have the 1 hour chart or 2 hour chart, whatever. Are we in a 75% confirmed uptrend? Not uptrend, but up market wave. Congratulations to you, Zuelius. Yes, sir. So, now this is the good news, everybody, okay? It's not bad news, it's good news, okay? So, fact, trade what you see. We have a 75% confirmed up market wave on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it's a fact. Trade what you see. We have a 75% confirmed up market wave on the 1 hour chart. Okay, it's up to me to enter long or short. Low probability because it needs to break the last relevant high. Well, there is no right or wrong, everybody. You must understand this about psychology. Okay? Is anything wrong if I enter long knowing that I have a 75% confirmed up market wave? So, I need to be responsible. I need to take responsibility. I need to take responsibility upon my decision on entering long this trade. Okay? There is no right or wrong. You can go long, you can go short. You have different kinds of patterns with different probabilities. But I need to take responsibility upon my decision on entering long on this trade. On entering long on this trade. So the question is, everybody, is it wrong that I would enter the long trade knowing that the market has a 75% confirmed up market wave on the 1 hour chart? This is what Tari is asking us from the beginning, everybody. This is what Tari is asking us. Is it wrong that I would enter the long trade, counter trend line break, whatever, knowing that the market has a 75% confirmed up market wave on the 1 hour chart? What's the answer? Yes or no? Tari, what would you say? This is your question. Is it wrong that I enter the trade consciously aware and I'm going to be responsible if I lose? Is it anything wrong that if I enter the trade here knowing that it's 75% confirmed? What's the answer, everybody? Let's make a poll, yes or no? I am conscious about how the market works you know, I have the time to trade from 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock p.m. I need to go to work later, and this is what I'm seeing. Should I or should I not enter the market? And the answer is there is no right or wrong, but you need to take a responsibility, you know. So if you go long and if you lose, you know why you lost. It was 75%. If you can live with this, just enter the market. If you can't, don't enter the market. Know as long the trade is managed. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Only you can answer this question. You know? Somebody would say, yes, it's wrong. Somebody would say, no, it's not wrong. You know? Tari says, no, you can trade the short trend but continue to be risky. So Tari, if you want, you can enter this trade, be responsible, you know that it's 75% up market wave on the 1 hour chart, you know, okay, and if you lose, don't do this anymore. Make sense, guys? Make sense? Okay, our time is up. We're going to see tomorrow how this is going to play out on NZD, on Euro AUD. Thursday, next level number 4. If you want to trade with FXPassion, just connect and we'll talk about the trading business possibilities. You need a real account with minimum $25,000 or equivalent in other currency.